Here I have XGODY X15, and today I'm going to show you how to change video resolution in camera on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then tap on the gear icon to access its settings, switch to the camera mode, to the video mode. And here you can select video quality, so you have like 480p, you have 720p, CIF, and also QVGA. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.